It's February 27th to 2010 on a Saturday. This is our first camping adventure with the new camper. We're at Buffalo Springs Lake. Just got here a few minutes ago, got it all set up. Lindsay's in there still trying to get the beds and stuff, I think, figured out. So far, everything is working good. So far, anyways. Try to get some good video here. It's pretty neat. It's got speakers on the outside, speakers on the inside. There's Maddie girl. There's Lindsay in the new camper. Got it all set up. Got the stove and the refrigerator. We've already got the heater turned on and it fired right up. So we're glad to see that. Little lights with fans on them. It's pretty neat. Our table, actually you can take it outside. It's not actually attached. So you can actually take it outside if you want. And there's the front bed.
I don't know, has little cubby holes. Look,
Manny girl's already found her bed.
One here, one there, two under here. I mean, there's a lot of storage, more than what I thought. Lots of storage.
We're not gonna use the water our first trip because it got winterized when we got it from the dealer the other day. So we're not gonna use the water because since it's still just the end of February, we're gonna wait on that. It's supposed to get snow again on Monday night, so we're gonna wait on the water on this first trip. Like I said, we're here at Buffalo Springs. This campsite's right here next. They got a little 9-hole golf course. This is the kind of the tail end of the lake right here, but there it is. Pulled pretty good to pick up. Everything worked great. So far, can't be any happier with it.